Today I'm getting back to finishing this chair seat. I've been sitting on it for a while and I'm happy with the shape. It's really comfortable. So I'm going to do all the final carving and scraping and basically getting it ready for the legs. For the last couple of weeks it's just been sitting on a 5-gallon paint bucket and I'm kind of anxious to move this project along. I'm going to start today by removing all of the ridges that were left by the hook knife. The tool I'm going to use to do that is just a flat chisel that's ground to a slightly radiused edge. I have a number of these chisels, different widths and different profiles, and they're all just made from fairly inexpensive flat, butt chisels, and they do an amazing job at simulating a gouge. And they're certainly a lot easier to sharpen. Here I'm starting to work on that area that transitions from the seat pan, which is basically a bowl shape, to the curved front edge of the seat. I have the chisel resting flat on the work and I'm just using a shearing cut to ride over the top surface of that curve. Here I'm just using a straight edge to make sure that the profiles that I'm carving are even on both sides of the seat. You can get really addicted to making shavings of any kind, and it's really important to stop on a regular basis and check your work and make sure that you haven't gone too far. The shape that I started with was really comfortable, so the important thing here is to just make sure that you shave off all the high spots from the tool marks that were left from the hook knife and stop once you get at the bottom of those valleys and you have a nice smooth bowl surface. Now that I have most of the tool marks taken out of the top side of the seat, I'm going to turn the chair seat around and start profiling the bottom of the seat. I'm going to be using a draw knife to remove most of the wood. The front of the chair has a very long sloping taper which makes the front of the chair appear very graceful and thin, and then that transitions to a fairly blunt curved surface around the back 2/3 of the chair. And this is done for structural reasons. The chair legs are mounted in this back 2/3 area, so you don't want to do anything that's going to weaken that part of the chair. Hi, I'm Dennis, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me by using the email address that I have shown here. If you like the channel and the work that I'm doing, please consider becoming a patron. Every dollar you contribute will bring me one step closer to being able to produce videos full-time.